Here we go.
Today I'm going to show you how to make swai garlic. You can use any fish. You can use tilapia or any white fish, okay? Here is, I already washed and then slide it into this small piece. I'm going to put a little salt in it, a little pepper. Again, I usually don't measure when I cook. I just use the feel and from my past experience, and a little bit of sugar and thin soy sauce. This is the brand that I use. It's not Chinese dark soy sauce. It's different. This is thin, like you can see it's light. Just put a little bit in it. And oyster sauce. I use this. I like this brand, but if you cannot find this brand, you can just use fish sauce that you can find in any store, or any oyster sauce that they offer you at any store. And then this is garlic. I just use fresh and I blend it, and that's it. And you just mix it together. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to put it in there. Anything you can substitute, or you cannot find fish sauce, you can just use salt. And then I will marinate it, and I would let it sit while I'm cooking stir-fry vegetable. Today I'm gonna stir-fry cabbage. I slice it like thin like this. If you can't do it, you can just buy it comes in the bag cabbage that it's ready for you to make coleslaw. You can just use that whole bag, but I bought it fresh and I slice. Let me wash my hand. Okay, I'm going to start with stir-fry vegetable. I'm gonna start with stir-fry vegetable, and I'm gonna put a little oil. I use canola oil, any oil. I'm not fussy about that. And this pan is for the fish. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there, and I'm gonna turn the heat on like medium while I'm cooking vegetables, so the pan is warm and ready to cook fish when I'm ready. So I'm gonna let the pan warm up a little bit. When it's when the oil is hot, I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in it, okay? If you don't have cabbage, you want to use different vegetable, it's okay too. And you can just make the same way and just use maybe broccoli, carrots, or anything that you want, that you have in the fridge. Whatever I have in the fridge, I just use it. And but today I just feel like cabbage. I haven't had this for a while. Then I'm gonna put a little water in it. That's all. Excuse me, let me get all the sauce. A little bit salt, pepper. I always use these four on all the dish. Actually 5, a little sugar in it. It would taste better if you use sugar in it. And thin soy sauce, oyster sauce. This one is gone, excuse me. Okay, just a little bit in it. So All right, and then just stir it. That's pretty much it, and you just taste it how you like it. It's pretty easy, and if you cook broccoli, cauliflower, what else, spinach, you can just do the same. Anything that you can find. This out. Okay, for the fish, here how it looks, and I usually just like wrap it in the gogi powder. It's similar to like tempura flour. This is how I do it. It will make a little crunchy, and I just like that. So it's not a lot of flour, and just let it cook like that. Okay, just do all of it. Okay, just like that. Okay, and I will let it cook. I will let it like change the color to golden brown. I will turn it. So I look at the color. It's like dark brown sort of. It's okay now. I'm just gonna turn it. You just let it cook. You don't like keep turning, because that's gonna ruin the fish. It will break it apart. So when it's like this color, you just turn it. And I will turn all of it, and let, as you can see the color, I just turn one time, and then that's it. And then see the other side, like that. That means it's done, and it's gonna be a little crispy from that gogi flour that will make it crispy, and it will make it taste a little better, and there is not a lot of carb in it, and because I did not use like a thick batter, just like a thin layer for it. Okay, the cabbage is ready. This is how it looks at the end. I'm gonna serve now with the fish. If it's too much broth or water, you don't have to use it all. I just put it in. So here is the garlic swai fillet and stir-fry cabbage. It's our lunch day, and of course we serve it with jasmine rice. We always have rice at lunch. Hope you guys enjoy it, and if you like to try authentic Thai food, then subscribe my channel below. Okay, thank you. Bye.